In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a simple but powerful project management system in Notion, step by step. This setup is perfect if you're managing personal projects, client work, or even a small team. And the best part is that we'll be using Notion's built-in templates so you don't have to start from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional projects and tasks workspace that you can customize however you like. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Notion tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to your workspace. From here, click on New Page. This creates a fresh page where we'll build our project management system. Once the new page opens, give it a moment to load fully so all options are visible. Next, click on Templates. Notion's template gallery is where you'll find ready-made systems created by Notion and the community. These templates save a lot of time and are a great starting point, especially if you're new to project management in Notion. After the Templates panel opens, look for the highlighted Search or Featured section. Click on the highlighted area and search for project management templates. You'll see several options, but we're focusing on one that already includes projects and tasks working together. Now, find the template called Projects and Tasks and click on Add. This will instantly add the template to your workspace. Notion will automatically create linked databases for projects and tasks, which is the core of a solid project management system. Once the template is added, click into the page title and type Projects and Tasks if it's not already named. This helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easy to find later. Inside the page, click on the highlighted Project Management section. This is your main dashboard where you can see active projects, tasks, and progress at a glance. From here, click on Branding. This section usually contains projects related to brand work or marketing. Then click on Website to drill down into more specific tasks connected to website projects. Next, click on the highlighted project items to open them. This lets you see individual tasks, deadlines, assignees, and status updates. You can repeat this step for different highlighted items to explore how tasks are structured inside a project. Now, click on Planning. This view is especially useful because it shows tasks in a more organized layout, often by status or timeline. Click on Planning again if there are multiple planning views available, so you can see how Notion filters tasks differently. After that, click on All. This view shows every task across all projects in one place. It's extremely useful when you want a full overview of everything you're working on, regardless of which project it belongs to. Finally, click on a task like Conduct Website Audit. This opens the task page where you can add descriptions, checklists, due dates, priorities, and even comments. This is where the real power of Notion comes in, because every task can hold as much detail as you need. At this point, you've successfully set up a complete project management system in Notion using the Projects and Tasks template. You can customize views, add new properties, assign tasks, and adapt the system to match your workflow. If this video helped you build your project management system in Notion, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials, and share this video with someone who could use a better way to manage their projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.